key. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always.
Come join me. Come join me. It's Dex TV. It's Dex TV. Dex TV. It's Dex TV. What's up, guys? Today is Happy Thanksgiving Day. Well, sort of. But today we're going to be making Peking-Style roast turkey. I'm going to season the turkey with salt and pepper. I'm literally feeling the inside of a legitimate turkey. What the heck? Oh my god. Oh, this is so disgusting. Okay, now we're done and I need to go wash my hand. Okay, now while that's steaming, we're gonna make our glaze. Make our glaze. I just gotta get both sides. Now we're gonna put in the sauce. You gotta make sure it doesn't. You gotta make sure it's real close up so it doesn't spill, splash all over the place. And you gotta do it slowly. Now we're gonna stir it up. Oh, dude, that one looks so dead. Now we're gonna put all the vegetables in the pan. Then we're gonna mix it all up. So that there are vegetables and orange peels everywhere. There we go. All mixed. Pour some grapeseed oil in next. Just saying something, you know, we gotta mix that grapeseed oil with the vegetables, 2 tablespoons actually, if you didn't know. After you're done mixing it, you're gonna put this frying wrap right there, just like this. Well, there's the turkey, and now we gotta brush that glaze. I just want to caution this video right now. Caution: do not use the stove without parental warnings. I mean, whatever that is, without parental supervision. Make it burnt. Now that's in the oven, we're gonna make a sauce. Make a sauce. Sauce. We spent 20 minutes, now we gotta reglaze the turkey. Now that turkey glaze, we're gonna close it up for another 20 minutes. Our gravy is almost done, now we're gonna strain it. So next up to the gravy is to melt the butter. Now we're putting the butter and flour into that broth right there, because it's done.
gonna try drumstick and take a bite and tell you guys what I think.
Scissor? No.
Good. What you looking at, boys?